study chapter 33 data handling. What is the data? Each number collected for giving information is called data. Whenever we collected some information in the number in this other manner, so that is the known as the data. Raw data is what considered the foreign data. What is that? 74, 67, 82, 95, 89, 98. Top marks of 6 students. 6 students. So that is known as raw data. Now whenever we write these marks in ascending order or descending order, that means ascending 67, 74, 82, 89, 95, 98, descending 98, 95, 89, 82, 74, 67. So when we write in that manner ascending or descending order, so that is known as array. So in that these are the information. With the help of this you will do the sum of the exercise of chapter 33. Children, I am taking one example of this data handling chapter 33 in which the some numbers are given 55, 56, 56, 54, 57, 56, 55, 55, 56, 56, 57 and so on, and we have to prepare a frequency distribution table with the tally marks. Now we will study. First we will write the number of marks are given. Number of marks are given. Least number of marks, that is 54, write 54, and after that we have 55, and after that we have 56, and after that we have 57. No marks other than this 54, 55, 56, 57 here in the data. So now write all these 4 marks. Now we will count this. How many times 54 come in the data? When we find 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 times 54 come in this data, that is 4 times. So write 1, 2, 3, 4 line, that is 4. Frequency of this, that will be the 4. Now we are taking the 55. How many times 55 come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 is 7. So 7 times 55 come. So write 1, 2, 3, 4 and the cross from the top of the last line and the bottom of the first line, we will cross that and make it that the 5. In that manner you will make 5. Not this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 or that. When it 4 complete, you will take the top of the fourth line and bottom of the first line, you will join that will make the set of 5. So 7 is that, 7 write the frequency. Now we will collect the 56. When you count it, 56 come in the data, that is 9 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in that manner. In the 5 what I told you, we will take the top of the fourth one and the bottom of the first one. Cross this, that will make the 5. And then again 1, 2, 3, 4, that will make the 9. So 56 come the 9 times. And here the 57. Again you will count how many times 57. When you count it, that is the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and what I told you, top of the fourth one and the bottom of the first one, we will join this. So that will make the 5, write the 5. So when you make this in that manner, you will draw this frequency distribution table. Now in the last, when some done the sum, check this frequency total. 7 plus 4, 11, 11 plus 9, 20 and the 5. That should be 25. And this is also, these are the also 25. So that sum total of this and the total of this frequency would be the same. If there is difference in that means you have made some mistake there. So that total should be clear that your answer is correct, your sum is correct or not. So in that manner you will do the sum of this exercise and try to do the sum of this exercise. Children, I am taking question number 1, exercise 33A, in which marks scored by 30 students of class 6 are given as below. So here is the marks. You can see 38, 46, 33, 45, 63, 57, 53, 40, 85 and so on. And we have to find the highest marks scored, the lowest mark scored, and the range of marks. So first find out highest marks, that is just see 38, 46, 33, 45, 63, 53, 40, 85. So when you see there is no number that is more than 85. So highest marks you scored is 85. Now see which is the lowest. When you see this one, this 22, here is 22. Not less than 22 marks anyone get. So 22, the lowest mark scored is 22. Now the range of marks will be the highest marks minus lowest marks. The difference between the highest marks and lowest marks, that is 85 minus 22, that is 63. So that is the range of marks. So in that manner you will do the sum number 1 of exercise 33A. Question number 2 of the exercise 33A, in which some raw data is given and we have to make a frequency distribution table for this. So here we find out which number is given. So that are 28, 30, 32 and 34. So now find out the number of times that is given. 28 is given 4 times, just count it. 28 1, 28 2, 3 and the 4. So write here 4 and the 4 is frequency. 30 is how many times? 1, that is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write it 8, frequency 8. 32, how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 times 32, write here the tally marks here and the 10 times frequency. 34, 1, 2 and 3. So 3 times 33, 34. So that is 3. So total should be 25, as I already told you. When you find out frequency of each number, just get the total. 3, 10, 13. 13 plus 8, 21 and 4, 25. That should be 25, and these all numbers, the sum of this should be 25. That should be tally each other. If they are not tally, that means your answer is wrong. If they are tally, then your answer is correct. So in that manner you will do the sum and make the frequency. Children, I am taking question number 6, in which the study of about the number of accidents per day in Delhi is given. That is known as raw data, and we have to make the frequency distribution tables. So first we will take the number of accidents per day, tally marks and frequency. First counted 0. So 0 how many times? 0 2 times. 1 here we got the 1, 2 and 3 times. 2 we are getting here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 is the 6 time. 3 we'll see the 3 is the 3 time. 4 is the 4 time. 5 is the 6 time and 6 is the again 6 times. So when you see, count this number, how many numbers that come in the data, that you will make the tally mark and then get the frequency. Total should be 30. When you get the total, that should be 30. If the number of this and this are the same, that means your sum is correct. So I already told you that 30 should be equal to this, as we have here 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 4, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19 6 plus 6, 25 and plus 3 and 2, that is 30. So in that manner you will do the sum number 6.